Today, we're going to talk about health insurance plans for growing small businesses. In this video, I'm going to share with you a story about one of my favorite clients who approached me. He was referred to me by a friend who was a realtor, and at the time, this client was working for the school system down in Florida. So he was working for the school. School had great insurance and he was covered by that for years. And now he had the side hustle that he was super passionate about. I loved talking to him about it at the time because I remember just how he would light up when he talked about what his passion was, and he would tutor students. So he started to tutor and develop this whole niche in tutoring students who really wanted to excel. These students were not just like everyday students trying to pass. They were like the ones that wanted to get into Ivy League colleges. So that's where he wanted to focus his passion. And he had done so well and the demand was so high that he decided to go out on his own and do it full time and leave the security of his school. And so when he was referred to me, his budget was a concern because he was healthy. He wanted something that could protect him against something big, catastrophic that could happen to him. And he wanted his finances protected also. He didn't want to have to go to bankruptcy for medical bills. But he didn't have a lot to spend on his monthly premium. So we were able to find a plan for him on the private market. It was an underwritten PPO. He was healthy enough to get approved on it like almost overnight, and he kept his premium low. Well, fast forward, probably want to say 4 or 5 years later, he came back to me and he was happy with his plan, but now his business was doing so well. He just hired another employee who was also doing tutoring. So he was really expanding. He was able to raise his prices and he was just doing great. And he said, look, Alex, it's not like I got married or I'm having kids anytime soon, but I would like that in the future. Also, I'm still healthy. I mean, do I really need to make a change here? He was concerned because he was thinking at the end and he wanted me to look at whether this plan, since now he had a little bit more income, he wanted me to look at whether the plan that he had was the best for the long term. And so when we looked at it, we were able to find a better plan that was a little bit more expensive, but not much. And this plan he could keep until he was 65. And so this plan would grow with him. And so here's just a great example of your situation and your financial situation, your budget is going to change over time. And so we're here to grow with you. I love watching people start their business and watching it blossom. And then when they come to me and say, hey, now I have the income to make more of an investment in my health insurance because I want to make sure I'm really, really covered for the long term, then that's what I'm here for and we can make that happen. So if you're a small business owner and then you're hiring employees, you have 2, 3, 4, 5 employees, but you're not quite as big to have a big group plan that can be very expensive and really only made for large groups, you can reach out to me. I would love to help you. Consider me your outsourced benefits administrator. I can grow with you and I can actually help you even with the hiring process in speaking to your potential employees before you even hire them and trying to find the best coverage for them. Because remember, we want to make them feel secure and like you care for them and like they're getting a really good deal in working for you. And that way it'll be stable for them and they'll be able to focus on really serving your clients, which is just going to help your business grow. And the most important thing to remember is that you don't have to do this alone. You can connect with me at alexthehealthagent.com. I would be so happy to help you find the best solution for your growing small business. You can also follow me on Instagram because I have a lot of great videos tailored for small business owners and entrepreneurs, all about health insurance so that you can get familiar with the lingo. And then don't forget to like this video and also comment and share it. Also, you don't have to pay me anything extra to be that outsourced benefits administrator for you. The insurance companies pay me very well to make sure that when I can enroll clients in these insurance plans, I can serve them at my absolute best. So it doesn't cost anything extra for you.